And welcome to Little Havana, the head chef Richland. Today we are doing a sandwich called cubanos from Latin America. So I have my bread, I have my ham, I have my cheese, and I have some pickles. Not forgetting mustard. So all I need to do now, put some mustard in it. I lay some cheese in it. I have some pickles. Then we're good to go. So it's done. Then I'll put under my toaster for a minute, then toast it. So at least it should be under the toaster for 3 minutes. So it's ready by now. Wow. Wow. Can you see how crunchy and sexy? And this is the way I want to serve it. Yeah. Yeah. And this is how I do my cubanos, the Latino style.